I once asked an education secretary, what is the time period spent by an education secretary in the Ministry of Education? It turned out only 2 to 3 years. Why should education secretary be an IAS officer?
क्या होना चाहिए वो? The backbone of our education system is our teachers. The biggest problem is we don't pay our teachers well.
A.V. Hill. This gentleman said, reduce the gap in the salaries of the civil servants and the teachers if you want to build post-war India.
जो बच्चे ग्रेजुएट हो रहे हैं वो एम्प्लॉयबल ही नहीं है आज के टाइम पे.
For the last 10 years, everything being centralized. In all this centralization, there is mushrooming of coaching classes. But the school system has collapsed. Nobody goes to school. Paper leaks are happening because these people are reaching out to the paper setters.
आप बोल रहे हो कि पेपर लीक कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट करा रहे हैं सर?
Yes,
What are you saying?
there is so much of money involved.
तो 1200 यूनिवर्सिटी में 700 तो प्राइवेट है.
Punjab University, Punjabi University, Patiala and Guru Nanak Dev universities have less number of students than the number of students of Chandigarh University.
जो मार्केटिंग चल रही है CBSE है, IB बोर्ड है. Does NEP talk about this also?
There is no financial sustenance model for school education or higher education in the country. And NEP unfortunately is completely silent about it.
जैसे आपने बोला 1857 3 यूनिवर्सिटीज बन गई, बॉम्बे, कैलकाटा एंड मद्रास. इन्होंने तो इंग्लिश मीडियम बनाया उस टाइम पे.
Macaulay said English speaking person should be given preference in the government job.
ओबीडियंट ऑफिशियल्स की यस सर करते रहे. सर 1986 में नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी निकलती है, उसके बाद 2020 में निकलती है. जो हम पढ़ रहे थे वो तो सेम ही है सर.
86 कोई नया नहीं था. ये सरकार चाहती है कि हर अंडर ग्रेजुएट कॉलेज एक प्रोफेशनल कॉलेज बन जाए. Why do you rush into a professional college? Because it gives you an engineering degree. It gives you a doctoral degree. Why do we have a string of education ministry? Just as the prime minister has not changed for 12 years, the education minister should also not have changed for 12 years. Finance minister has not changed for that many years. Why is the education minister changing every few years?